Buyers decide within 3 seconds if they're interested in your home. Here's how to make those seconds count. The first couple seconds happens before the buyer even gets out of his car. That's called curb appeal. That's the first impression of your house, is the curb appeal. You never get a second first impression. Stand back on the sidewalk and take a look at your house. Does the grass need to be cut? Does it need to be edged? Do the weeds need to be cut back? How about your front door? How does it look? Is it dusty? Maybe it has some cobwebs on it. Does it have to be cleaned off? Maybe paint it. Put a good coat of paint on your front door. Make it look inviting. If your home doesn't have curb appeal, the buyer's going to drive right on by. He's not even going to get out of his car. The next thing you're going to want to do, once the buyer gets from the car through your front door, he's going to take a quick look around. So clear the clutter. Now, I say clear the clutter and depersonalize. Now, some may just disagree with me on this, but I say take down your personal pictures from the wall. Buyers don't want to see pictures of your family on the wall. They want to imagine themselves in the home. So clear the clutter as much as possible. Now, buyers don't want your stuff, and they don't want to see your stuff. So clear the clutter. Now, if you're not sure what to do with some of your things, I had a seller a while back. He took 3 weekends and did 3 garage sales and 3 open houses at the same time. And people would come through to the garage sale, buy some of his things, and take a look at his house. Maybe they didn't want to buy it, but maybe they knew somebody who did. And he also had a barbecue he wanted to get rid of. So what he started doing at the garage sales was barbecuing hot dogs and giving them away. By the 10th hot dog, he sold that barbecue. Now, the last thing you're going to want to do once the buyers get from the curb through your front door and they're kind of interested is to show them a pest inspection. Now, a lot of sellers tell me, Tom, I have Terminex come out every 3 months and they spray for pests and I don't have any bugs or anything. Well, a pest inspector is going to get under your house and look for termites, dry rot, wood chips, anything that may hold up the loan. These could be called conditions. And a lender is going to hold up the loan because of these conditions until they get repaired. Especially if you have a VA loan. VA lenders are pretty strict on these pest inspections, and they're going to want these things cleared before they release the funds for the loan. So get a pest inspection. One less thing a buyer has to worry about and do, and it puts you in a better position when you're selling your house. That's it, folks. If you like this video, please hit that like button and that subscribe button. And take a look at some of my other videos. I try and produce one about once a week, and they're all about helping you buy and sell real estate. Tom Arnold, RE/MAX Realty.